Just Kids is a memoir written by Patti Smith, an American singer-songwriter, poet, and visual artist. The book chronicles her early years in New York City, her relationship with photographer Robert Mapplethorpe, and their experiences as struggling artists in the 1960s and 1970s. The book begins with Smith's childhood in New Jersey, where she grew up in a working-class family. She writes about her love of literature and poetry, and her desire to become an artist. Smith moves to New York City at the age of 20 to pursue her dreams, and quickly meets Robert Mapplethorpe, a young artist who would become her lifelong friend and creative partner. The first part of the book focuses on their early years in New York City, where they lived in various apartments and struggled to make ends meet. They spent time with other artists and musicians, including Allen Ginsberg, William S. Burroughs, and Jimi Hendrix. Smith writes about the vibrant creative energy of the time and the sense of possibility that infused their lives. Smith and Mapplethorpe were each other's creative muses and collaborators. They supported each other's artistic endeavors, with Mapplethorpe helping Smith with her writing and Smith inspiring Mapplethorpe with her poetry. Smith describes the importance of their artistic partnership and the deep bond they shared as friends. As Smith's music career begins to take off, Mapplethorpe becomes increasingly focused on his photography. The book explores their artistic collaborations, including Mapplethorpe's photographs of Smith for her album covers, and Smith's poetry readings accompanied by Mapplethorpe's slideshows. Smith writes about their artistic journeys, including Mapplethorpe's development as a photographer and Smith's evolution as a musician. The middle section of the book focuses on Mapplethorpe's struggles with his sexuality. He was coming to terms with the fact that he was gay, and he and Smith remained close friends as they both navigated the changing social and cultural landscape of the time. Smith describes the emotional complexity of their relationship as it evolved into a deep friendship. In the later part of the book, Smith and Mapplethorpe go their separate ways as their artistic careers diverge. Mapplethorpe becomes increasingly involved in the art world, while Smith continues to pursue her music career. Despite their distance, they remained close friends, supporting each other through personal struggles and professional successes. The book concludes with Mapplethorpe's death from AIDS in 1989. Smith reflects on the impact of his death on her life and art, and the enduring legacy of their friendship. She writes with heartfelt honesty about the loss of her friend and creative partner, and the sense of loss that many felt as a result of his death. Throughout the book, Smith reflects on the creative energy and spirit of the times, and the impact of their relationship on each other's artistic development. She writes with vivid detail about the people, places, and events that shaped their lives and careers. She also explores larger cultural and political themes, including the anti-war movement, the Stonewall riots, and the rise of punk rock. Overall, Just Kids is a moving tribute to the power of art and the enduring bonds of friendship. Smith's lyrical prose and vivid storytelling transport the reader to a bygone era of artistic experimentation and creativity, while also offering insights into the struggles and triumphs of the human experience. The book is a must-read for anyone interested in the creative process and the role of art in shaping our lives and culture. Join Patti Smith on her inspiring journey through the vibrant and tumultuous world of New York's art scene in the 1960s and 70s. Experience the power of friendship, creativity, and the enduring spirit of the human experience. Don't miss out on Just Kids. Buy it now from the link in the description and embark on a journey you'll never forget.